everyone. It is officially Memorial Day weekend. The summer travel is kicking off with an estimated 42 million people traveling 50 or more miles, according to AAA. Airfare is up 9.6% since April of 2019, according to NerdWallet, and 3.4 million people are expected to fly, up by more than 11% from last year. Travel costs can include car rental, gas, hotel, plane tickets, food, and entertainment. People spent the last few months planning and saving for this Memorial Day weekend. And I hope everyone have a fun and safe trip. Like last year, I am staying local this Memorial Day weekend. I might visit a close relative or I might go on a short hike, but before I do any of that, I do plan on spending a little time doing some minor work on the homestead. Remember, homesteading is relaxing for some people, like me, so I rather enjoy doing some chores like gardening. So I plan on planting some more strawberries I got on sale and maybe spend 20 minutes weeding. We weeded last weekend, so there really shouldn't be that much to do. But I wonder how many people who saved money to travel this Memorial Day weekend put money aside to start a food pantry or add to their food pantry. When mainstream media starts talking about food shortages and food insecurity, families struggling to make ends meet, utility bill hikes, and a looming recession, specifically a looming recession, you know things are serious. So I just hope people are paying attention and preparing for difficult times just as much as they plan for their Memorial Day travels. Well, I hope everyone has a great weekend with family and friends, or if you're staying home and just doing some minor chores. If you enjoyed this video, please help this channel to grow by liking and subscribing.